In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view scenario history in Make so you can monitor, debug, and optimize all your automation workflows. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Make, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Scenarios. You'll see a list of all your automation scenarios here. Just click the one you want to review, and that opens the scenario editor. Now up top or somewhere in the editor interface, you'll want to find the tab labeled History, Runs, or Execution Log. The exact wording might shift a little depending on updates, but it's always there. Click that tab to access all past executions. You'll now see a list of scenario runs. Each entry typically shows the date and time, the status, whether it's success, warning, or error, plus the duration and the number of operations used. To go deeper, click on any run. This opens detailed information for that specific execution. From here, you can inspect each module in your workflow, seeing exactly what data came in as input, what went out as output, and if there were any errors. Follow how the data moved from one module to the next. This is how you verify your automation logic or spot where something broke. If a scenario failed, open the failed run and look for the exact module that caused the issue. The error message will tell you what went wrong, so read it carefully. To make things easier, use any available filters to sort runs by success, failure, or a specific date range. Some versions even let you search logs by keywords or execution IDs to locate a particular event fast. And if you need to keep a record, you can often export run data for external analysis, great for auditing or reporting. When you're troubleshooting, try comparing multiple runs mentally. Look for patterns in failures or performance issues. Use past runs to fix mapping problems, improve filters, adjust webhook inputs, or optimize your overall workflow logic. Also, keep an eye on how many operations each run uses. That helps you manage your plan limits. If your scenario is active, new runs will appear automatically in the history, so you can monitor them in real time. When you're done reviewing, just click back to the scenario canvas to return to the editor. As a final pro tip, consider setting up alerts for failed runs so you're notified immediately when something goes wrong. And make it a habit to check your scenario history regularly to ensure everything is running smoothly. You can now view, analyze, and troubleshoot your Make scenario history using the execution logs, helping you monitor automation performance and fix issues efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!